Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to join Marketing Broker Australia, then show you how to create your new profile via the membership dashboard. So let's get started. You can see I'm at the Marketing Broker home page. And to join, I either just choose Join Today from the menu or click the red button here, Marketers Get Listed Today. As I scroll down, I'll see that there are three membership tiers: Marketing Professional Plus Content Creator, and Marketing Professional Plus Coach. So there's a couple of differences between the three membership tiers. Marketing Professional is really tailored to freelancers, to independent marketers, those that are just starting out in their marketing profession, that are looking to join a marketing association, such as Marketing Broker Australia, to connect with other marketers and potentially find a mentor within the network to help them as they grow their business. Plus refer work to others. So as clients come in asking for more things, they have a network of providers that they can go to complete the full service delivery. So you might be a specialist in Facebook, so you might bring someone in to assist with search perhaps. So that's what this is designed for. So we kept it as affordable as possible, so just $50 a year, so a tiny amount. Within that membership, you can post 10 blogs and 10 videos per month, so plenty of content that you can share. In addition to your full profile page, you can also upload photo albums. This is great for showcasing examples of your work and sharing testimonials as well. You can do that through the photo album. And then also, which is the same for all three membership tiers, once verified, you'll also be part of the self-help platform that allows visitors of the website to answer a series of questions and then receive a recommendation or a couple of recommendations on who they should partner with to achieve their marketing objectives. And I'll have a separate video that walks through what the verification process looks like in order to be part of the self-help platform. So that's Marketing Professionals. Then Marketing Professionals Plus Content Creators. These are targeted for those who are doing a lot more content. So you move to unlimited blogs, videos, and you can share audio clips through SoundCloud, which includes podcasts. You can have two sub-accounts, so you have your main business and two projects, which might be another business, like another side hustle. Maybe you do a little bit of e-commerce. Maybe you do a collaboration on a podcast or a YouTube channel, online course. But you can actually, within the one subscription, have multiple businesses or multiple projects promoted, as long as it relates to the marketing profession. High up in the search results, more categories and listings as well, but perfect for those that are just producing a lot of content. I want to showcase that to our members and to our subscribers for our newsletter and of course our social media platforms. We've got a few different brands that we work with, so there's a lot of opportunity to expand the reach of your content through that partnership. And then the Marketing Professional Plus Coach, this is our top tier, perfect for those who might be running an agency themselves. So they want not only to be able to produce a lot of content, the sub-accounts might be used for individuals within the agency. So individuals within the agency might have their own profile that they can jump onto and post their own content, in addition to different projects you might be working on, podcasts, YouTube channels, stuff like that. More categories, more cities. And you can also, see job opportunities, and of course events and webinars can be promoted through the website as well. The other big thing as well is, is the mentorship program. So you do have the option as well of potentially mentoring freelancers or those who are just starting out in their marketing profession, and that will be built through our coaches and our top tier plan. In a great way, of course, of partnering with freelancers to help kind of build out your agency. And referring and sharing work directly with members of the network, particularly those who have been verified by us as a trusted freelancer to use for the different marketing campaigns and executions that you're running. So three really distinct membership tiers based on kind of where you are on your marketing professional journey. So feel free to reach out to us if you've got further questions about those tiers and what's the right fit for you. So anyway, let's now choose the top tier. We're going to join and then create a profile. So when you come in to register a new account, you can register via Facebook or via Google. As you probably already know, these only just capture email address and name, so essentially just replaces this part of the registration process. So for this, I'm just going to register via our Eudomia account. Cool, then when you come in, you've got your different payment options, so you can go monthly, quarterly, every 6 months, or once a year. And obviously you save if you go to 6 monthly or annual payments. All of our plans include a 14-day trial, and actually our marketing professional plan, so the $50 a year, actually has a 3-month trial. So that way you can jump in, you spend a bit of time getting used to the platform, and then if you're happy to stick with us, then it only charges you after 3 months. Cool, I've just got a coupon code to make it easier for the test run. So choose the payment option. If you have a promo code, include it. And then go through and click these. The main thing I do want you to read is the strategic partnership agreement. This definitely relates to those who have been verified and kind of highlights what that agreement or what that arrangement looks like if we sell your services through our platforms, through direct selling, consultations, all the different services we provide, prospects or businesses looking for marketing services, in terms of what the commission is that you pay to us, as well as co-marketing opportunities and all that sort of stuff. So I do recommend reading the strategic partnership agreement so you're clear on what's included. And then because I've put in the test, I've actually turned off the accepting a credit card, but obviously when you click create my profile, it'll also come up and put in your credit card details. Only $1 will be charged as part of the verification process, and then the full amount, whether it's monthly or annual, whatever you decided, will be charged for the top 2 tier memberships after 14 days, and for our marketing professionals after 90 days is when you'll get charged the full amount. Alrighty, so now let's create our profile. So you can see in the very top here, we've got these yellow symbols here, and this is basically either start there or click here. Basically, and I usually use this one here, manage listing, to just basically go through and complete each of the steps to create your profile. So let's start with basic information. So type of listing, so you've got individual or company. The big difference here is if you choose personal individual, it will be your profile photo will be what's shown here. If you choose company and organization, it'll be your logo that's shown here. So completely up to you on what your preference is. Most will choose company organization, so it's their logo that's shown, but you're absolutely welcome to choose personal individual, so your photo is shown. Then you choose what your specialty is, so what best describes you. So graphic designer, copywriting, digital marketing, which might cover a few of those things. So for this, we're just going to choose digital marketing. Then just put in your details, right? If you get the reference, you get it. If you don't, you don't. That's okay. Put in different roles. We've also got the note here, if you do accept coins, so the cryptocurrency, feel free to reach out to us if you're interested in that. But that option is there if you want to let people know whether or not you accept that cryptocurrency coin. And then a short description about you. So this will pop up in your search results, the little description. So, keep it simple. Kind of like a headline that you would use on LinkedIn. Cool. Then your address, so where you're located. Then you can drop your links in as well. You don't have to put any if you don't have any, so if you're just starting out, but you've got the option of your website, your online booking calendar, your blog. You can even put in your RSS feed if you prefer to do that to make it easier for people to potentially add your content to their sources for social media scheduling and the different social media accounts. And then refer, which we've got a separate video which walks through that, but once you have set up a refer account, this makes it easy to facilitate referrals across members and non-members. We can put in your offer and your link that lets people know what the reward incentive is. So for example, if anyone recommends a client to get a website built by Marketing Broker Australia, and I convert that lead into a customer, through refer, I'll pay you $200 for that lead. Alrighty, then you can just add your profile photo and profile logo and a cover photo as well. So you've got, the 3 images and the ideal dimensions are provided as well to make sure it looks really good when you add those. Then you choose the categories you specialize in. So this will be limited based on your membership tier in terms of what the different categories are. If we've missed something, just let us know. Happy to add it to make sure that is a complete list of categories. All right, so we might say that we specialize in B2C. A quote. In terms of something that they first see. Right, so it might be something about you, it might be related back to what you're focusing on, completely up to you. What year you started, hours of operation, any accepted forms of content. You don't need to include that, but if you want to highlight that, pay by invoice or via credit card. Credentials, so if you want to provide, let them know that you've got the qualifications, you've got the experience, you've done a bunch of online courses, maybe you're a Google partner or a Facebook ads partner, HubSpot partner, whatever it is that you've sort of done to kind of build out your qualifications, feel free to include it, as well as any associations that you're part of. So you can really build that out. Same with honors and awards. So if you're part of associations, you're part of community groups, if you've been awarded, through social media awards, whatever it might be, welcome to include all of that. So like just basically pulling stuff from your LinkedIn as well. You can also upload, maybe it's your personal CV, which might be helpful for freelancers. For an agency, it might be like a brochure or just additional document that just provides more information about the services that you offer. Optional, but you can definitely do that as well. Cool, then you just provide background about your company and actually have a lot of options, right? So it's not just text. So you can drop in videos, images, you can have links that might take them to a landing page. You might provide incentives to go and to download a downloadable item, take them to an e-commerce, whatever it is that will help kind of drive people into the next stage of your sales process, you can include. So you can really create some really interesting profile pages with some really good variety of content. So, even using a table to do a pricing list or a service list, and there's a lot that you can do within this space. You got full formatting in here as well. So you can get really creative in terms of what your profile page will eventually look like. Cool, and then you just add this different service areas that you serve. So it might, and it's all based on the city, by the way. It might be, so Sunshine Coast actually is classified as a city, right? So I can add that in. Right, maybe you serve Southeast Queensland, so you might want to include Brisbane, right, and Gold Coast, perhaps so it's the full Southeast. Right, and just kind of add the locations that you serve. Cool, once they're added, you just click now back to dashboard. Now, if there's any areas that you didn't complete, so you saw in this example, I didn't put up profile photos or the About Me section, it still identifies that it still needs to be completed. So helpful if you need to go back and update later. But once you're happy with it, you can then click on View Public Listing to see what it looks like to other people. So we can see worldwide prestige, a bunch of details here, the map, but obviously not a lot of information was added during the example. But you can, if you want to see examples what others have done, just click on Search. Right, you can have a look at what we've done, so Marketing Broker, but you can go through all the different providers already on here and have a look at what the quote is, the background, company information, contacts, as well as any content they publish to the website. So all the different blogs, photo albums, products, all that sort of stuff that's being posted to this website and videos. Cool, and that's it. Other videos will go through some of these other parts with the dashboard, but I just want to show you how easy it is to create your profile. Just a quick note, you can sync with Facebook and Google after the fact. So if you've logged in via email and password, but you want to switch to log in via Google, you can do that. Alrighty, so that's it. Thank you for watching the video in terms of how to join Marketing Broker Australia and to create a profile page. Any other questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks.